Here I have my 7-drawer dresser. Take a look. I'm going to be giving you a close-up today. It has fabric drawers and a metal frame. It was so easy to put together. I'm going to give you a close-up on those fabric drawers. The drawers are actually very easy to pull out. Inside the drawers, they do come with material so they don't cave in. So this is actually a hard board just to place on the bottom to ensure that the drawers are not caving in. So take a look. You could actually take that off if you'd like. However, I would recommend it just to make sure that the drawer is nice and sturdy, and then simply place it back in. Very, very easy to do. Just like that. The handles, very, very nice. There has the mesh fabric material. I'm going to give you a close-up on that. The top here is made out of wood. So you could actually put a small TV up there. It does have anti-tip devices. It also has adjustable footing. Take a look at that. It has 3 small drawers up top and 4 larger drawers on the bottom. They are very spacious. They pull all the way out. Take a look. This is what the drawer actually looks like, and you simply just slide it back in. This is perfect for any bedroom, kids' room, to place clothing, toys, or any other items. But overall, great quality, great price. I would definitely recommend.